Unwrap your present. Here, Shelby. Here. Get it. Unwrap it. Unwrap it, Lily. Mercedes getting it. No. Don't eat the paper. There you go. Good job, Sadie. Oh, Lily's getting it. Get it, Lily. Unwrap your Christmas present. Unwrap it. Good job. Good job. Here, Sadie, let's get the rest of that paper off of there. There. Come here, Shelby. Come on, unwrap it. Here, get it. Get it. Unwrap it. Unwrap it. Get it. It's a treat. Come on, unwrap your Christmas present. Here. Here. Get it. You want it? Good girl. Here, let Mama help. Whoop. Mama dropped it. Look. Look. See? Get it. There you go. Miss Pris. See, you got it. You got it. Good job. Merry Christmas, girls.